Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to cancel premium membership in Rocket Money. So guys, you can cancel your Rocket Money premium membership at any time through the mobile app or the website. Your premium features remain active until the end of your current billing cycle, and your Rocket Money account will stay open unless you choose to delete it separately. So actually guys, to cancel the premium in the mobile app, you will need just to open the Rocket Money app right here, and then just go ahead and tap on the gear icon that's located to the left or at the top left corner, at the upper left corner, so just here. And then guys, you will need to select an option you will find right here listed. It says the premium membership, right? So you can't see it on my screen. That's only because I couldn't proceed to the dashboard on that specific phone, and that's because of my Capital One bank account is blocked currently. But I'm going to be specific on my explanation, so just follow the steps and listen carefully. So actually guys, you will need to select the premium membership option. You will find that here, and then just tap on manage membership tab. Then just move the monthly price slider all the way to the $0 a month. Then tap on cancel subscription and follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the cancellation. So after canceling, your premium membership stays active until the end of your current billing period, and your Rocket Money accounts and linked financial accounts remain intact, and that the active bill negotiation services continue if they were already in progress. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.